So today is a second demo. In the first demo, I explained about introduction and complete understanding from data to Microsoft Fabric. And today is a second demo where I will give a recap for 15 minutes, followed by practical demo. Basic practical I will explain you. And after this practical, you need to practice it. And from tomorrow or Monday, regular classes at 9 a.m. Right. Let me continue. First demo, I explained about introduction and this hierarchy. And second demo for 15 minutes today, recap of first demo, and then practical we will see. From tomorrow, regular classes at 9 a.m.
Apart from 9 a.m. batches, do we have any other batches?
Yeah, I have total 6 batches in a day.
So what is the next batch timing?
Next
for
batch,
online?
yeah, maybe 10 o'clock
10 o'clock.
or
Okay.
evening 7 p.m. Not yet decided, but it will start after 1 week or 10 days.
Okay.
Every 1 week, 10 days, we have new batches.
Okay. For this batch, you are taking classes at 9 a.m.
Yes. Right. Now let me continue. So recap of first demo. And the people who all joined today, you will receive first demo and second demo video as well as document in email and WhatsApp. Video and document in email and WhatsApp. Both the places you get video and document. And I believe who all attended yesterday received video and document. Correct? Right. Anybody pending?
I'm also
Right, sir. If anyone pending with that, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. Who all joined today, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. Right, sir. Now come to the class. And this is Power BI demo. And second demo, but giving a recap of first demo. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. I'm a lead consultant. And 50 to 60 hours is the duration for the course. And daily 1 hour is a class. Monday to Friday compulsory sessions. Saturday depends. But this Saturday we are taking for the confirmations. So that Monday onwards we can continue happily. And we provide daily live class videos. However, we shared yesterday the same way you will receive it. And access given till 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects and many case studies we do. First 10 days we do case studies only. So that you will get complete understanding on Power BI. Theory and practical material will provide you for your better reading and following. Prerequisite, no prerequisite actually. But if you have knowledge in Excel or SQL, always advantage for you. Qualification, any graduate can work, any graduate can learn Power BI. And fully graphical component Power BI with low code, no code. No code is wrong. If someone says low code, we write low code, that is DAX language code. It is a functional language. However, we write functions in its Excel level and other Microsoft level the same way we write it, but no programming, nothing. And the current training from basics to advanced level. In case you're looking for fast track or customized training, this is the contact number you can reach out. And in the next 2 months, I'm covering this part. And this is purely related to project environment. And this is related to Power BI subject. So what do you mean by environment? You're going to work in a real-time project. So you will see data warehousing components, data modeling components and tools, and life cycle methodology, versioning components. So I'll give you the understanding on this. This understanding in the first 10 days itself. Case studies. Many case studies I'll give you, minimum 4 case studies. And 2 near real-time projects. And when you work with files, no problem in the real time. But when you work with the databases, a language required to work with the database SQL. This is database language. And I will provide you 3 to 4 hours, but that is not sufficient for interviews and to work in the real time. Learn database concepts completely and prioritize the 9 topics. Okay. What are the topics? I'll give you the checklist on Monday, not Monday, tomorrow. And MSBA and tabular cubes. So you may work with a special design databases cubes, 2 hours. Job trials. So resume preparation session, FAQs, mock interviews, all we conduct. And also provide video and proper documents. I'll give you around 40 resumes for your preparation. And most frequent last interview questions also I'll share with you. Coming to Power BI subject, cloud components, on-premises components, both I'm covering. Cloud components are different, on-premises components are different. And Power Apps and Power Automate. This understanding for 4 hours I'm providing. This is next 2 months subject. What all you need is, you need to have patience, point number 1, and good interest to learn all the real-time things. So without knowing all this, if you go to real-time projects, especially MNCs level, you feel panic. Not only Power BI, they use multiple things. If you know the basics of it, it will be easy for you to work happily in the real time. And after completing this course, you will be in a position to try Power BI dedicatedly with less than 5 years in Power BI. So Power BI developer with a DAX language and SQL language. 90% opportunities in this combination only nowadays. And you can try as a Power BI support resource, Power BI admin resource. My course suitable for development activity, support activity, admin activity. And if you're interested to try in the combination MS BI, Power BI, Tableau, Power BI, ADF, Data Lake, Power BI, this combination also you can try. But for this respective components, you need to learn. And our institute is really good for MSBA and ADF training also. And both are working employees, very senior employees. In case you're interested to learn, attend demos. And Power BI senior roles, more than 5 years you want to try. You can try modeling role, designing role, these kind of roles. But for this, at least one project end-to-end you need to work on. Minimum 1. If more you work, the better you perform. So these are the opportunities. A student usually require good theory, practical material, and live class video. At the end, he requires resume, FAQs, those all will provide. For better interaction, WhatsApp group, yes, WhatsApp group as well. And we use very effectively the WhatsApp group. All the communication through WhatsApp. And daily after placing the video, you will receive a message. Today's video placed. Very systematic training and proper training. Irrespective of your attendance, you will get the video and you will get the update. So this is what last class I explained about institute details, what we provide, how long we take, and what are the opportunities you are suitable for. Later, I started data to fabric explanation. This evolution you are supposed to know. This hierarchy you are supposed to know before you join in the company. Directly starting with Power BI does not make any sense. And that is where most of the people losing their opportunities. It's a very basic question, simple question. My manager used to ask for everyone. If a candidate comes with 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, one first question, basic question, the management round, because he's a non-technical resource. When MSB available, Excel reporting available, what is the need of Power BI? Excel also having reporting, MSB also having wonderful reporting, and that's the first BI. Until this day, we are having projects in our company. Then why Power BI? Okay. Or you want to recommend the customer, take Microsoft Fabric. How do you recommend a customer to take Microsoft Fabric? For that, good understanding is required. Now, first I will explain about data. Watch yesterday video, where I explained 1 hour completely on this. I'm just giving a recap for 5 minutes, not more than that. Data. In our IT industry, we have 3 types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. And we are placing this data in 2 areas: file area and database area, either file or database. And we keep this information in 2 places. The first place, on premises, within your company level, within your server level, within your system level, PC level, device level storage. Similar to your mobiles in the phone, images in the phone. Second one, placing this information in the cloud, somebody else storage. We place our images, videos from the mobile to Samsung cloud, Apple cloud, OnePlus cloud, different clouds, the cloud storage. Data types, data storages, data storage areas. In Power BI, we work on all this in the regular class. All the types I will show you in the regular class. It is having better compatibility, capability to handle this. Next, IT applications. There are different types of IT applications, but majorly business running, business analysis, major categories. Business running applications, general public use it. They will go to the forms, maybe in the web, desktop, or mobile. They will perform the transaction. The data stored in an area called transactional area. Example, IRCTC, ticket booking, web level available, desktop level available, mobile level available. People will book the tickets. At the end, they will get transaction success or failure. That storage area is transactional storage area. And you people decided to take this data, implement a BI process, business intelligence process, and generate a report or dashboard. And that time, if you need a storage, analytical storage, you will create it. So this is the area you participate in the companies. This area, this square box area. So data you will bring, implement BI process, a report or dashboard you will generate. So what it contains? Decision-making data, report or dashboard. What do you mean by decision-making? I told you last class. The trains having highest booking of seats. The trains not having any booking. Tatkal versus normal tickets booking. This comes under decision making data. What type of data? Decision making. So this is normal data, simply your train ticket information storage. And this is decision making data. And I told you, what is business intelligence? Intelligent information to the business. So in this area, input is data, any type, anywhere. Output is report or dashboard. Then what is the difference between report and dashboard? Report always stores or always displays detailed data regarding operation. Dashboard always shows high-level data regarding a specific subject area, which means multiple reports information in a dashboard level will present high level. So you guys will create in the real time the report or dashboard. Example, savings account cash withdrawal report. A report. But coming to here, we'll place savings account, cash, withdraw, deposit, loan processing, all in a single area. That is called as a dashboard. Understood?
Yeah, okay.
Next. But how come from normal data this is constructed? General customers, transactional data. But the data which you are providing, management team use it, analytical data. And that is called output data from the transaction systems. How come this normal transactional data converted to business intelligence data? I told you we have a process. 1990s, the process given. Account to the process, implement ETL process first. Second one, data storage, huge storage. Third one, required storage. Fourth one, data presentation. Maintain these 4 layers and construct it. Any company you go, same process. Watch the previous class video to understand better. If not regular classes, you will get very clearly, don't worry. Daily you hear about the same technology in the regular class, don't worry. First time if you listen to it, you may feel panic. But after 3 days, you feel very bored. Now, and there are many BA tools available. Some tools here, some tools here, some tools here, some tools here. But no company given end-to-end support. As a customer, if I want business intelligence process, this process, I need to take multiple tools. Not only multiple tools, multiple setups required, multiple resources also required. Employees. If I want to convert normal data to decision-making data, I need multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources. Microsoft decided, why don't we reduce this burden? That is MSBI suit in 2005, which is having tool 1 IS, tool 2 AS, tool 3 RS. Integration services, data integration, analysis services, analytical storage, analytical operations, reporting service, reporting flexibility. 3 tools for end-to-end process. Then why Power BI? I'm keeping in mute. Okay, please keep in mute. So MSB announced in 2005. And every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version available. And Microsoft is the leader from 2008. It's the leader. And I showed you yesterday how Microsoft is the leader in the market. So don't bother about MSBA, Power BI market. Microsoft is the leader for the last 16 years. It may continue next 30 years also. But still, why Power BI? I told you the reason yesterday. MSB architecture before 2004 market. No cloud. And no mobile friendly, tab friendly. Limited data inputs, it will work. MSB applications you cannot place in other areas. Average coding is required. Reporting functionality less. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a version change. This extension is Power BI, adding power to the existing BI. More power added. And Power BI level, we have cloud support. And Power BI level, mobile and tab friendly operation available. Less code we write. More visuals available. Market suitable visuals available. And continue IT changes it is capturing with monthly update. Many features I explained yesterday, you go through it. And on a whole, I concluded with a proper definition. Power BI is a low code, less code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BA application, which generate reports and dashboards from the data. Low code, cloud and on-premises support, self-service application to generate reports and dashboards. So by using Power BI, we generate reports and dashboards. Got clarity? But these are the features. And announced in 2013. And we have monthly update from 2013 July onwards. You want to check? Yesterday, I shared one link for you. I believe you have opened the link. Microsoft is the leader for the last 16 years. In the same link, you will find in the right-hand side the update, monthly update. August 2023 is a current update. And first one, go down. July 2013. From July 2013 to till this month, we are having update. Got clarity? Okay. And if you go back to the previous screen, before I go for the fresh part, MSBA level tool 1, tool 2, tool 3 available. And Power BI level, it is single application, self-service BA application only, where one concept available to perform this, another concept available to perform this, and one more concept available to perform this. Concept 3. These are the concepts in Power BI to perform end-to-end process. So MSB is a self-service BA suite. Power BI is a self-service BA application. Suite contain tools, application contain concepts. Suite require multiple tools installation, setups. Application does not require multiple tools installation. One application installation sufficient. Okay. Now, with the given spirit of Power BI, low code, Microsoft decided to give multiple low code components, and that is called Power Platform. So 2013 Power BI announced. Till 2019 it is individual, but 19 it is as part of Power Platform. These are the low code components. And from 2023 June, recent last month, it is Power BI under Microsoft Fabric. Now you're learning Microsoft Fabric Power BI. Okay. So this is what I covered last class. Any questions till this part before I go to fresh part? Online, offline people?
So, sir, do we get Power BI software to practice on a day-to-day basis?
Yes, I will explain it today with an example.
Okay.
And
thank you.
tomorrow onwards, I will tell you how to practice, and I'll give you the accounts as well.
Okay.
Don't worry, complete systematic way with all the stuff we'll discuss classes here. Not like basics or high level or some concepts providing, etc. But in detail and proper systematic way with the
Okay.
required stuff given to you. Right, sir. Who all just joined, kindly provide email ID and mobile number in the chat room. You will get demo video and demo documents both the days. And anyone wants to discuss with me career suggestions or anything, this is my contact number and these are the timings. Kindly call me on my number. More than 10 people called me yesterday. Thank you so much for that. Right. Now coming to second demo objective. So first demo recap completed. Now we will go for Power BI overall components. Power BI major component and practice with an example. And this is explaining to show ease of operations, beauty of the tool, and flexibility in practice. Flexibility and power of Power BI. This I want to show. I'm giving this practice. You complete your practice after the session. Kindly keep in mute. You guys come practice after the session. Now, overall components. Power BI components. Who all interested for cloud? That means they want to place the reports in the cloud and they want to manage from the cloud. So this is a cloud. Reports, dashboards, you want to place here only and you want to manage here. Then these are the components required. One is report development, Power BI desktop. Report storing, managing, cloud. Two components required, 1 and 2. And from here only the end users work, cloud. In case you're not interested for cloud or you need on-premises also, then reports and dashboard maintain in your company server level. Customers always come to server or this is called service, either of the places and see the reports. And development level, we have a separate component called report server desktop. So Power BI desktop, Power BI reports are desktop. These for the report development, one in the cloud, one in the on-premises. Once the reports are developed here, we will move to cloud for storing and managing, or we move to on-premises for storing and managing. This is the third component, fourth component. Based on the interest, companies will go either this combo or this combo. Got clarity? Now coming to report development. Report development level, we have concepts: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View. These are only desktop concepts, not Power BI components. Due to lack of knowledge in the YouTube level and many places you find Power BI components, these four. Nowhere Microsoft mentioned these are Power BI components. These are concepts inside Power BI desktop. And if you look at Microsoft manuals, you will find this approach only. And other components also available: Report Builder, Power BI Developer. It is not a position. There is a component named Power BI Developer available, and Power BI Embedding and Publisher. These are some more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 components Power BI having. And we are going to discuss all these components. And majorly, this is the one, Power BI Desktop. Now I'm going to explain this desktop for report development. Is it okay? So this is the one we use in the real time. So I'm explaining this. So this is the example I want to do now. I have family data, my family data, day-wise amount available, lockdown time amount actually, 20 amount, which reason, books, how much money I spent, which location and area, my family expenses available. This is called transactional data. Daily transactions I maintain. And I want to generate a report like this. This is OLAP data or BA data. Like total money I spent, average money I spent, maximum money I spent, minimum money I spent in a particular year and month. If I click 19, 19 amount, 19 average, 19 maximum, 19 minimum I want. If I select August, August total, August average, August information. And also, I want to compare for food, how much money I spent, travel, how much money I spent, and I want to compare it. Top spendings, bottom spendings. And I want to see the locations I traveled, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, like this. This report we are going to generate. So from the normal data, this report. But how, sir? Using a component called desktop. This is the component. But how desktop will do it? The desktop will take the data, this one. It will take the data. If the data is not good, it will transform it. This is called shaping. Once proper shape available, relationships established. Once relationships completed, security we go. If applicable, finally visuals we present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you will get business intelligence data. So your normal data converted like this after doing these operations. I will show with a single example, don't worry. The same thing daily we continue, you will understand easily. And we are able to do all these operations in a single application. So this is called self-service BI. What do we call it? Questions, please.
So here, Vinay,
Yes,
what is reporting data and what is dashboard data?
I told you already, report contains individual operation of a business. and detailed data. Dashboard contain high-level data of the business. So set of individual reports information, if you take in a single area, that is a dashboard data. Dashboard is a consolidated area, report is an individual area, simply. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
Understood.
Shall I go? This component downloading, installation, and all I will explain. Kindly practice the same. I'll give you a clear material also for this. Now,
Vinay, this Power BI works only on the Windows OS, or is it applicable for?
only Windows, sir. But how to install in the Mac, I will tell you, don't worry. So coming to desktop, what is desktop? Graphical operations area. What is Power BI desktop? Power BI graphical operations area. And hardware software requirements. I'm telling you minimal requirements actually now, but detailed requirement tomorrow I will tell you, tomorrow. At least half an hour I need to explain about requirements. But right now, just for practice purpose, I'm telling you. So Windows 8 or above is sufficient, but 10 is good. 10 or above. Minimum 2 GB RAM is sufficient, but 4 GB or above is good. Minimum 1.5 GHz processor is sufficient, but this is good. This is minimal and this is better one. Download. 3 ways. If you want to download the desktop, Google it, advanced download. In the situation, no account is required. There is a Power BI account, Pro, Premium, Fabric. I will type here. There are multiple accounts. Pro account, Premium account, Capacity account. Fabric account. So no account is required. But if you Google it and go to store, account is required. You can go to Power BI service and download, account is required. In real time, this is recommended, third one. This is recommended in the real time. But for the time being, we go to this process. How to install? Click setup.exe and follow the instructions. To save my time and your time, I'm not typing anything. This is not an academic class where I will dictate it and you write it. And now people moving into AI side. So beyond BI. And no need to ask anyone, guys, regarding the requirements. Always download time requirements you follow. Same process. For the last 7 years, I'm following. Okay. Now, I will Google it. Power BI desktop download. Download Power BI desktop from official or anywhere or click downloads. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Download is there. This require account. This does not require any account. I will go with this. Advanced download. Clearly mention why the desktop is required. In case you want to see this content and read the content in a different language, you can select a language. Language to read here. Read the content. The version, size, and all available. I will explain tomorrow. But here is the place, there is system requirements, installation instructions available, download time. Always follow these requirements, installation instructions. No need to ask anyone. Click download. And it is showing two softwares. This is x64. That means system type. x64 people should download this. And if your system type x86, then download this. This is called 32-bit machine. And this is called 64-bit machine. 32-bit, 64-bit. Sir, how do we come to know? Type here sysinfo. Enter. So guys, my enter keyword is not working, but when you type sysinfo, it will show you that. Don't worry. Type sysinfo, system information. There you find it. Even in the system level, also right click and you can see that. Multiple places. Properties. What is the system type? 64-bit. You can download it. My machine is 8 GB RAM machine. And AMD Ryzen, very basic processor requirements, and Windows 10. Okay, close. Fine, sir. Assume you downloaded this. How it looks like. After downloading, if you go to download folder, Power BI desktop, this is the way it will appear. Just click on it and follow wizard steps. No need to ask anyone, just follow the wizard steps. Okay, good. Mostly next finish. Next part. Once it is completed, it will install like this on the desktop. This is called Windows Desktop, my Windows Desktop. Here you're having Power BI Desktop. Under Windows Desktop, Power BI Desktop. So the tool is ready. Then what is required? Input data. Where is the input data? So it is a demo session. Little speed I'm maintaining. Kindly cooperate. Regular session, little slow, I will go. Or based on your interest, I will go. And this is a Excel file, family expenses Excel file. I want to use it. Click on this. So this is column heading. And this is file heading. This is column heading. This is just describing what type of content available. And this is column by column data. Date, amount, reason, area. Understood, everyone? Yes? Good.
Yeah.
Successfully completed. Input data. From here, you want to generate a report. Just transactional data available. Then how do we generate a report? What to do? Yes, any questions? Now go to Power BI Desktop. First open it. Do not feel panic with the navigations. First day looks like that, but daily we use the same process, you feel bored. So this is called get started screen. Having many quick reference links. You want to read this month update that is available here. You want to see complete Power BI history. This is complete history. You want to discuss with other technical organization people, the other organization people, Microsoft experts, then go to forums. You want to read some tutorials, go to this. You want to watch some videos, go to this. You want to bring the data into Power BI, get data. Recent data you want to see. Recent reports you want to see. Other reports you want to open. So this is called get started screen, quick reference links. You can close it. If you want it, you can use it, otherwise close it. And this is called main screen. And color blind friendly screen. Here data, extracted, transform, model, security, visualization, all we do. Finally, we will construct BA data here. And this process is called as self-service BA process. This is the first area, second area, third area, fourth area, fifth area. These 5 areas are very near. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 areas are very near. And I will explain little more in this. This is called saving the report, quick save. This is called title. And this is account. If you connect with an account, I already connected with an account, it is showing. For you, it will not show that. And this is minimize, maximize, close. And this is called as ribbon. And these are called as menu tabs. Menu tabs. And right now, whatever open, this is home open. So home ribbon. And we have 3 views. See, very simple tool. Very simple. This is for relationships. We call it as a model view. Table relationships. So one table connected to another table in this area. And this is data display. Grid view. And this is report visuals display. Report view. And this is called pane, filter pane. So filter options. This is called visualization pane. Visualization options or visuals. Pane is a rectangle. Data. Here is a place the data elements available. We call it as data set. data available in this area. Any questions? No. Next part. So we take visuals here, we take data here, filter here, ribbon options here, and construct a report. You want multiple pages, page 1, page 2, page 3, like this, you can take multiple. I'll give you detailed explanation of this in the regular class. It will take 1 hour to explain. I will explain the regular class. For the time being, high level. I want to save it. File menu, save. It is showing PBIX. Word document, how do we save it? Excel document, how do we save it? And PDF document, so not PDF. And Power BI document, this is Power BI document, not report, .pbix. Many people feel like it is a report. It is not a report, it's a document. Why, sir? Because many operations you are able to do. Report is only one operation, but you are extracting, you are transforming, you are modeling, you are securing, many things you are doing. So we call it as a document. So I will save under documents area, Vinay Tech, second demo, self-service BA, example, practice, PBIX save. You want to verify? Go to my area. This is my documents area. System will identify like Power BI document, not like a report. This is the one I created. Size, default size is 12 KB. The application default size 12 KB and it's a document. Yes? Okay. Just normal file save. What to do? So we need to implement end-to-end, what all applicable. According to our Excel source data, this data, we need first extraction. We will see that. Get data, Excel workbook. It is in my drive. I'm taking the Excel, browse. You will get this Excel also for your practice. Don't worry. I'll give you this Excel also for your practice and give you a practical document also. See that and practice it today. Ready, sir? Select the Excel which you want to read. What exactly I did? Get data, browse to Excel file. I'm selecting the Excel. Click load. Now it will be loaded. Where? Your Power BI level in this area loaded. See, automatically expanded. I did not do anything. It is loading there. Is it available? So once we get the data, it will come here. And you want to see the data. Then go to this. You will see the data. This is to see data view. But something is not correct. What is not correct? This is supposed to be the column heading. And these two we should not see in the report level. That is just for our understanding. We should not see in the report. Always a reporting tool or anyone expects column by column data for analysis, not descriptive data. How do you remove this? Point number 1. Point number 2. If you want to analyze area separately, location separately, not possible. Combinedly available. So I want to split this into two parts, area separate, location separate. How? So in this source data, we need two operations. First one, remove this. Second one, split this. And these are called transformations. What do you call it? Transformation. So data, you got it. Extraction completed. Now transformation. Where do we go? Just go to this area, reporting area. Click on this, transform. This is the first area completed. Now second area, transformation area. Click on this. It will open a separate window. See guys, it is opening a separate window, transformation window. Whatever you want to do it. And after the transformations, close it. Apply means saving. Close and apply means saving and closing. Now, see, this is your source. What I want to do? Two, I want to take. The second one, I want to take as a heading. But directly you cannot do it. First, click on this corner, click remove top rows. Just see the flexibility only. Don't bother about these options. After completing your Power BI course, definitely you'll be comfortable enough to identify where is what type of property. Now I'm clicking remove top rows. One row. First row I want to remove. Non-coding only. Okay. The first row removed. Now this is supposed to be column heading. So again, click on this. Use first row as headers. See the beautiness. Now is it column by column? I move to this first operation, second operation. Later, I want to split this into two parts. Just right click only. Split column by delimiter means separator. We have separated two hyphens. So custom mention one more hyphen. Because we have two hyphens in this data. I want to split based on the two hyphens. Just click OK. See, area separate, location separate. Now take proper column heading. Just double click. Area. Just double click. Location. Now what to do? Your changes completed. Go to this. Close and apply. Now you'll find a fully transformed file. Go to data view again. Data looking good. Area location split. Column headings proper. What next? In the real time, in the BA process level, first one extraction, second one transformation. We need to go to modeling. Go to modeling area. If you want to construct a house, how do you construct? First plan. After plan, foundation. After foundation, slabs. After slabs, and remaining. One by one we do. The same way here also. What all applicable, we'll do it. Say modeling, relationships. Only one available. What you will connect? So no modeling. After modeling, security. Fourth area. And right now, I did not say security is required. So no. Only fifth area, reporting area. So in this example, we are discussing the BA end-to-end process level, 3 layers: extraction, transformation, reporting. Extraction, transformation, reporting. Because 3 applicable out of 5 properties or 5 phases. Now, this is the reporting area. What I want to show. I will use 3 visuals, importantly, 3 to 4. 1, it will show single value. It will show comparison of categories. It will show composition of values, percentage. It will show mapping information, locations information, and this will show filtering data. These 5 I am going to use now. First one, card. Just click. It will come like this. Now go to this. Whatever you want, first click it. Later, whatever you want to show, just mention here. Fields. I want amount, take amount here. Amount ready? Anything complex? Now, similarly, average required. Just take card. Here, fields level, amount you take. Sir, I need average. Don't worry, there is a drop-down symbol available. Click on this. No need to write any coding. Select whatever you want. This is the beauty of Power BI. Why people love this. If you want minimum value, just take a card visual. Take amount. What to do? Click on it. Minimum. Take maximum. Click a card visual. Amount. Click maximum spending. I want to see in a good format. So in the visual level, I clicked on it, assigned. Second section is there in the visual level. This is for formatting. Select this visual formatting. Format means color, font, alignment, etc. So this color, font and all, this call out value. This is this. I will show you. Call out value, bold, new navigation. So don't feel the trainer is going fast. I'll give you material. If you practice one time, you'll remember it. Click on this. I will mention this font 30, color this. But display unit none. None means no thousands, nothing. Normal value. Call out value, okay. Now I want to control this. Category label, bold, 15, color, this color. I want to take a border for this. That is a general option. This is visual specific. For this visual, this is general. General level, effect level, visual border available on. General effect, visual border on. Now I will minimize it. Now the same format I require here. Again, you can do it one by one. But to save time, Microsoft given a concept called Format Painter. See this on top, Painter available. Click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it. Highlight this, click on it, click on it. Easy, right? Now, let me close. Take here. Let me close. And I want to filter this. Take filter, slicer. Second one, slicer. Go to format area. So here only. Select slicer, but slicer level, no value. First take value. Click on this. Field level. I want year. Go to this year slicer. Year. Date table, year column, drag and drop. But I don't like this. I want list format, list way. In the situation, go to format properties. Take the visual, align the fields first. After that, format. Only these 2 sections I'm using. Slicer setting, this setting. Click on this. Style, vertical list. Just see the flexibility. Don't bother about the practice and all. In the regular class, we see slowly. Next, completed. Now slicer header. This is header. This is value. Slicer header. I want 20 bold pink color. And I want value 15 bold blue color. I want border, general, effect, very routine option, border. You format it, guys, how you want to format. The same month also required. Just copy, Control C, Control C, Control V. I want month here. Take month in this column, not year. Remove the year, take month. I copy, pasted, and then month. This is our favorite operation. Always copy, pasting, and changing months. Copy, paste, and change our name. No month. So if you click 19, 19 total, 19 average, 19 minimum, 19 maximum. If you click July, 19 July values. If you click August, 19 August values. Beautiful, right? And you want to clear this filtering, clear off. You want to clear this filtering, clear off. Now original values. So value show is okay. Filtering also okay. And I want to compare for which reason I spent more money, book, food, petrol in a particular season, in a particular period. Then comparison visual, stacked bar chart. Ayo. Don't highlight anything. In the empty area, click on this. This is stacked bar. And we call it as y-axis. We call it as x-axis. Take y-axis, x-axis. I will take a reason in the y-axis, amount in the x-axis. Why, sir? It looks good. Y-axis level reason you take. X-axis level you take amount. Sir, it's showing very small. You can make it bigger. There is a focus mode. See now. Food. Food. This is the amount, 1,34,000. Travel, 46,000. And these are top spending. These are bottom spending. Go back. And I want to take a border for it. Just click on it. General section, effect, border. Now you're able to understand. Only practice. Next. And I want a month-wise composition, percentage. Take pie chart. Pie chart. Legend, month, date, month. Value, amount, month-wise amount. If you click on it, August month, 34% money I spent. July month, some percentage money I spent. And June month, 18% money I spent, percentage. I will go to this general effect border. I want to see the locations. Click location, map. And map level, location. Expand it, it will show you. So these are the locations I traveled. Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Khammam, Warangal, Hyderabad. So bubbles are available. Bubble. I just took location only here. No other. But you want to control the business, come down. Bubble size available. Here you place amount. Bigger bubble, more value. Small bubble, less value. I will take a border. General effects. Now if you click 19 values, 19 spending, 19 percentages, 19 locations. If you select 19 May locations, 19 May spending, 19 May mostly Hyderabad I was in. So this is a way we develop wonderful reports. File menu, save. It's a document. But customer does not require the extraction area, transformation area, modeling area and all. He require only this area. You want to see this only in the web level. You want to see this only in the mobile level. How is it possible? In the situation, we need to move this report to cloud. We need to move this report to server. Remember, if you want to provide only this to customer, you should move to cloud or server. That I will explain in the regular class. Today, I plan for creating a wonderful report from this data without writing any code. The sum, average, max, min, everything we perform without writing any code. I maintain little speed, but don't worry, this is a demo session, demo practice. Regular class, we go slowly and I'll give you the video. I'm done with what I planned for today. So first demo completed with detailed understanding from data to fabric. Second demo level, I plan for recap, overall components, one example completed. From tomorrow, regular classes at 9 a.m. IST. And daily class timing now, 9 to 10 a.m. Max plus or minus 5 minutes. Because I may not close previous class properly. So this is a maximum delay. Because I have immediate class, 10 o'clock. It will be disturbed. Today I given holiday for them, so no issues. But tomorrow onwards, they will follow along with you. So as I said, we will provide you daily theory, practical documents.
So the next class will be
And
on
1
Monday
second, sir, I will close it in 1 minute. And you will be having good interaction with me. WhatsApp group also created. Live class video shared with proper documents. And next 2 months, I'm going to cover project related content, Power BI components. And I already provided all these details in the document level, demo document level, kindly look into. And don't think I did not write anything and I'm not able to follow. Don't go to academic style, then you lose the content. Everything systematically will provide you, properly follow it to enjoy with good content. In real-time level, whatever the components required, I will provide you. So learn properly so that interviews you can crack easily and happily you can work. If anyone interested for certification, you can appear for the certification with 70 to 80% knowledge from this class. So what about remaining 20, 30? You need materials, I will give you those materials. IT, non-IT, both the people enjoy, both the people can enjoy with my sessions. I'm done, guys.